Hey everybody, I'm the HVAC Repair Guy with over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two solid mid-tier heat pump systems, the Payne PH8TAN5 and the Ruud Endeavor RP15AY. I'm going to break down how these two units compare side by side so you can decide which one makes sense for your home. Starting with cabinet construction and build quality, there is a noticeable difference in how these outer cabinets are designed. The Ruud Endeavor RP15AY features stamped louvered coil panels that give full coverage protection to the fragile aluminum fins inside from yard debris, hailstones, and lawnmowers. The Payne PH8TAN5 uses a wire grill guard around the outdoor coil instead of stamped metal louvers. Both units include factory compressor sound blankets inside to help deaden operating noise, but Ruud takes the lead when it comes to physical cabinet protection against impact. Looking at heating performance, the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, tells you how efficiently these heat pumps let squeeze heat out of outdoor air during winter. The Payne PH8TAN5 has an HSPF rating of 8.5, while the Ruud Endeavor RP15AY is rated at 8.1. That 8.5 HSPF on the Payne means it will run slightly cheaper on your electric bill during cold weather and hold its efficiency a bit better into colder winter temperatures. Both of these are dual fuel-capable heat pumps that deliver standard cooling during the summer, but on pure winter heating efficiency, Payne has the edge. Under the top grille, both systems rely on two-speed compressor technology paired with single-speed outdoor fan motors. Having two stages on the compressor means these units can run on low stage during mild weather for longer, smoother cycles, lower indoor humidity, and steady comfort. Running on low stage reduces mechanical stress from frequent cycling, which helps extend compressor life. The Payne PH8TAN5 runs as low as 67 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to a quiet dishwasher or normal conversation. The Ruud Endeavor RP15AY is rated as low as 73 decibels, which is closer to the sound of a vacuum cleaner or a running washing machine, making the Payne noticeably quieter in your yard. Payne is built in Mexico by Carrier Global Corporation using Carrier engineering standards and component networks. The Ruud Endeavor RP15AY is built in the USA by Rheem Manufacturing Company, sharing the same platform and internal design as Rheem's Endeavor series. For real-world installed pricing, Payne systems usually range between $4,500 and $6,500 installed, depending on size and complexity. The Ruud Endeavor RP15AY typically installs between $5,000 and $7,500 with variation based on local market and ductwork needs. Comparing warranties, both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year limited parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, Ruud includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning if the compressor fails within 10 years, Ruud replaces the entire outdoor unit rather than just sending a replacement compressor. The Payne PH8TAN5 offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage, giving Ruud a big advantage on long-term protection. My recommendation comes down to what you value most. If your top priority is maximum cabinet protection, American manufacturing, and the peace of mind of a 10-year unit replacement warranty, the Ruud Endeavor RP15AY is a great choice. But overall, my winner is the Payne PH8TAN5 because it gives higher winter heating efficiency with an 8.5 HSPF versus 8.1, operates 6 decibels quieter, and costs less installed up front.